I'm gonna leave this.
Yeah. Bad skins. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and butter. Life's candy and the sun's a bowl of glitter. Don't rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? How much my band out? Happy Madman. And if I'm fanned out, your turn at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. But whether on the rose of sheer perfection, or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shining apple of its eye.